This message is broadcasted at request of the Crown of Arcor and the Arcorian Emergency Alertness Service. This is not a test. Today at 2:16 p.m., Arcor Capital Time, a state of emergency was declared by the Emperor of Arcor and the Joint Arcorian Military Command. A rebellion has been reported in major cities across Arcor and within the interplanetary frontiers. As of 6:30 p.m., Arcor Capital Time, the Emperor has received executive orders to begin immediate counterattacks upon areas in a state of disorder and rebellion, beginning no later than 7:30 p.m. Arcor Capital Time. For your own safety, an immediate evacuation order has been issued to all residents residing in Falkor, Novaterra, Handel, Camtashan Federation, Axeron, Praetoria, Iterna, Rashka, Huron, and Cueva. Leave all personal belongings. Take a battery-powered radio and only essential supplies with you. Do not remain in your homes. Seek shelter in designated evacuation areas outside of these areas and await further instructions. If you cannot find evacuation areas, seek assistance from your local authorities immediately. If you have military training, firearms training, or any similar weapons training, contact your nearest military officer immediately. Stay tuned to frequency 84 AM for further updates on this emergency.